Patuloy ng investigasyon ng Senado sa mga kriminal na aktibidad ng POGOs, tinutukan ni Senadora Risa Hontiveros ang koneksyon ng tinanggal na alkalde ng Bamban, Tarlac na si Alice Go kay Tony Yang at dating Presidential Economic Advisor ni dating Pangulo Duterte na si Michael Yang. Si Tony Yang, na kilala rin bilang Yang Jianzin, ay humarap sa Senate Committee on Women, Children, Family Relations and Gender Equality upang sagutin ang mga tanong ukol sa kanyang umano'y pagkakasangkot sa human trafficking at iba pang ilegal na aktibidad ng POGOs. Ayon kay Hontiveros, si Guo ay maaaring konektado sa mas malalaking sindikato, at ang kanyang kumpanya ay may direktang transaksyon kay Hong Jiang Yang, kapatid ni Michael Yang.
At ito pagkatapos nga ng chair, I will ask each of my dear colleagues to keep to 15 minutes each per round. I will try to keep my questions brief to give more time to others. And I would also like to gently ask my colleagues to respect this sequence. Salamat po. Comsec, paki-acknowledge ang resource persons.
Good morning, everyone. The committee would like to acknowledge the presence of the following resource person.
Presence of the Majority Leader, Senator Francis. Salamat sa pagdalo. Sir, bakit ba iba-iba pa yung pangalan na ginagamit nyo sa mga official documents? Minsan kayo si Yang Jianzin, minsan Tony Yang kayo, minsan naman Antonio Maestrado Lim. Bakit iniiba-iba ninyo yung pangalan nyo sa official documents?
请问为什么要这样做？就是在不同的这些政府的文件，你用不同的名字。
我就是政府的文件应该只有安东尼林嘛，没有别的名字啊。
In the government documents, I only use Antonio Lim and no other name.
May pinakita kaming iba. Yung alien registration application nyo sa Republika ng Pilipinas, Yang Jianzin. Dun sa LTO driver's license application na sinabit nyo sa Republika, you were Tony Yang, the previous slide. Doon naman, dito naman sa TIN application nyo, Antonio Maestrado Lim. Hindi totoo na isang pangalan lang ginagamit nyo, iniiba-iba ninyo. And you have profited from changing your name and your nationality dito sa iba't ibang submissions nyo. At your convenience, goes Mr. Yang, napakamarami pong kumpanya at negosyong nakarehistro sa inyo. Ito, ipapakita namin dito. Ito, corporations of Antonio Maestrado Lim with SEC documents, businesses, trade names associated with Antonio Maestrado Lim's taxpayer's identification number. Pwede mo bang ikwento sa amin kung paano kayo nagsimula? Saan galing yung puhunan ninyo? At paano kayo kumikita ng pera ngayon? Gamit na rin itong lahat ng mga kumpanyang ito. Miss Carolyn.
现在给你出示的是，就是在你的名字下，这个英文名字下注册的一些公司，请问这些公司是怎么开始的？而且你用多少的资本来开业？还有一个，到现在你是怎么赚钱的？OK， 我们从第一开始，请问这些公司是怎么开始的？就我开始做公司。
是我来菲律宾开始是呢。
就我开始。
哦，是不是我来菲律宾开始怎么做生意的，是吧？
怎么开业的？
好，我刚来菲律宾的时候吧，我有在这个马尼拉差不多5个月还是6个月，反正很久了，我也记不大清楚。后来我爷爷吧，他就叫我说到 CDO 啊，去那边做生意，那边开店嘛，开店。他说那边以前比较少中国人嘛，比较没有竞争嘛，所以他有一个亲戚嘛，我爷爷的一个亲戚在卡加亚嘛，就叫他帮我找店在那边。刚开始我去做这个服装床上用品啊，这些的生意开始，就最早去卡加亚嘛。
服装的用品对吧？
服装床上这些布料的做的成品的这种，刚开始我去卡加亚。
总经理吗？
因为当时他给我租啊，他就是说我们要申请一个那个叫营业执照还是什么公司吧，就是要我们用，因为他是那个中国人嘛，他就是要我们提供，就是给他做这个营业执照啊，所以就去 就是申请这个叫欧罗湾还是叫什么，我也不大清楚，大概就这样，应该是这样。
I'm actually not sure about the name of the company, if it's Or1, but what I can remember is perhaps during that time when they were opening, they needed a business permit. They needed to apply for a business or operating permit. That's why my name was there.
Sir, masyado kayong high level para gawing dummy. Nino man. I don't think na may not sure dito. I don't think na may maybe dito. Kasi ito pinapakita namin, PAGCOR license issued to Oro1 bilang POGO service provider ng Sunway Technologies Inc. Kilala nyo ba si Wei Xiong-lin?
请问您认识这个韦松林吗？韦松林，韦松林，魏松林，韦松林，
魏松林
是的。
不认识。
I don't know him.
You don't know him. Mukhang pinagpalit lang yung pangalan niya sa Sunway Technologies, kung saan service provider ang Oro1, kung saan presidente kayo dito sa official document na ito ng PAGCOR. Ipakita ko sa inyo yung litrato ni Wei Xiong-lin o Alan Lim mula sa aming dating investigasyon sa Farmally ng Blue Ribbon Committee. Dito rin sa Senado. Do you remember him now?
谁
Which one there in the picture?
如果有照片我
Yung katabi dyan sa litrato.
是那个
Kaliwa, dito
在
sa
左
big
边
photo.
在左边。
这个我有见过，这个有见过。
The one on the left, I have met him.
So you have met. Kilala nyo si
Oh.
Wei Xiong-lin.
Okay.
Paano nyo siya kilala?
你是怎么认识他？
这个有时候在那个，比如说华人嘛，华人有见过，有见过他。
就是在华人区这边。
哦，华人圈子里面有些，比如说去人家有什么结婚啊，还是说有什么请客啦、这些有见过。
Yes, I think I have met him during some Chinese social events. For example, like wedding or any kind of events with the Chinese people.
Okay. Pero iba pa to. Yung mga photos na to, hindi lang siya social events, business events talaga. Mr. Yang, sino ang boss nyo? Kanino kayo nagre-report?
请问杨先生，您的老板是谁？
我没有老板啊，没有，
你跟谁做报告
没有啊，我都没有跟谁做报告啊。
？None. I don't have a boss. I don't report to anyone.
So kayo ang pinaka-boss?
哦，
你是大老板
Okay,
了。
klaro.
不是我去做我自己的生意，是这样。
Everyone else reports to you.
所以所有的人就在对你报告。
就是我的生意，就是我都没有对别人报告啊，没有啊。
Yeah, because these are all my own businesses, so I don't report to anyone.
Pati yung Oro1. It's your own business at you don't report to anyone sa Oro1. Everyone in Oro1 reports to you.
说包括这个 Oro One 也就是你的，对吧？所以所有的人就在对你报告。
欧罗湾也没有对我报告什么，就是我那个租给他们的租金，他们交给我啊。
Oro One is not reporting to me. No one from Oro One is reporting to me. They're
You
just
are the
giving-
president, Mr. Yang.
你是这边说的那个董事长或是总经理的。
我当时是那个他们给我租地方嘛，要我说就是提供那个公司的营业执照啦，就去申请这个欧罗湾就这样。
The reason why my name was in Oro One is because during that time I rented out the place to them.
Hindi lang ang pangalan nyo nasa Oro1 dahil nag-rent lang kayo sa kanila. Bukod sa presidente, kayo ang majority shareholder ng Oro1.
而且我们发现你是 Oro One 是最大的股东。
当时是申请这个，我也不大知道，也不大清楚，反正就是说要一个公司提供他们方便嘛，就去叫那个母鸡波还是什么去办嘛，就这样。
Yes, it was only during that time that they needed help with the permits and all. That's why I was connected with them. It was the bookkeeper who recorded.
Sir, hindi lang kayo hiningan ng tulong. Hindi lang kayo tulad ni Guo Huaping na authorized representative ng was it Hongsheng at nakakuha ng letter of no objection sa municipal board noon ng Bamban. Sa mga papeles na ito, kayo ang presidente, kayo rin ang majority shareholder ng Oro1. Now, I know that Oro1 is a POGO service provider, pero interesado din ako sa Philippine Steel, Sanja Steel Corporation. Ito yung incorporation documents niya. Ito po. It's supposed to be a steel plant.
三家公司具体几个准确，我是不敢确定，但是大概在 110个中国人左右，110个左右中国人
100个110。
，110个左右。
So I cannot confirm the exact number of foreign nationals here at Sanjian Steel Corporation, but I am estimating around 110 Chinese nationals.
Hang in there, Mr. Yang. Pwede pong matanong, Yusek Cruz sa PAOK, ilan ang alam ninyong at nako-confirm ninyong foreign nationals dyan sa Sanja facility ni Mr. Yang?
Yes, Madam Chair. During their heyday, we're looking at around 2,000 POGO workers. But ngayon, ma'am, mga less than 300 na lang po.
Alright, salamat po, Yusek Cruz. So, Mr. Yang, narinig nyo yon in its heyday, ang Sanja may mga 2,000 na nalalaman ng mga otoridad namin na foreign nationals dyan. Pero ngayon, less than 300. So medyo malapit, pero malayo pa rin. Kung less than 300, mga 200. Doble sa sinasabi niyong 110. And in any case, why would you need hundreds of Chinese to build steel dyan sa Sanja, Miss Carlin?
请问为什么需要这么多中国人或是110个中国人来到你的钢铁公司来工作？
因为这个钢铁厂的那个机器吧，很大，很大的机器，还有就是110个工人都那些机器吧，一定要技术工才懂得可以做，就是要技术工，要懂得那个炼钢铁的那些技术的。
Okay, this is because the machines that we have in the steel factories are big, and then we will need 110 skilled workers who knows the technology of steel manufacturing.
Marami pong Pilipinong skilled workers na marunong sa steel manufacturing. 1950s, 1960s pa, may steel manufacturing na dito. Ano yung trabaho ng mga Chinese nationals na yon?
请问这些中国人，这个110个中国人，他们在你的工厂是做什么？
他们在里面就是大部分都是那些技术人员，就是要懂得机器的，要就是在看着机器的这个。但是我们就是有这样嘛，比如说一个岗位要4个中国人的，我们就有比如说先2个菲律宾人跟4个中国人跟着在写到，因为这个要有技术工的嘛。 比如说写到1年2年，这个菲律宾人懂了，我们就会把中国人换掉，用菲律宾人嘛，因为我们也喜欢用菲律宾人，但是这种机器吧，这种机器是有那个技术的，要有技术的，就是会等菲律宾人熟悉。
So my English is not very fluent, but I call him Akola or Akoda.
So that's, SP Pro Tempore has corrected you.
He's the former chief PNP.
他就是那个 Akoda，他以前是国家警察的警察长。
I think the president of companies is well aware other people whom he meets. So mukhang matagal na po ba kayo magkakilala
请问
ng
你
dating chief PNP? Kasi sa picture na ito, medyo mas lumang picture. Regional director pa siya.
I think that photo was...
Yes, SP Pro
Madam Chair,
Tempore.
I think that photo was taken when PNP Chief Acorda was still the regional director of the province.
And salamat, SP Pro
He was
Tempore.
not yet the chief of the Philippine National Police.
Tama po. Salamat po, SP Pro Tempore. And the same for these photos. Sa picture na ito, regional director pa sila ng Region 10. Matagal na po ba kayong magkakilala?
在这个图片呢，在这个照片，您说你们是认识了很久对吗？这个警长，
他在嘉阳工作的时候，我们认识的。
Yes, when he was still in Cagayan as the director, we know each other.
And Mr. Yang, alam nyo ba, meron kayong warrant of arrest mula sa China para sa fraud?
请问杨先生，您是否知道您从中国有这个逮捕令，就是为了这个欺诈的这个案件有逮捕令？
我不知道。
I am not aware.
You're not aware. Well, yung mga law enforcement authorities namin, yung mga high officials namin sa gobyerno, alam nila yung mga bagay na yun. So, in relation to the photos I talked to you about, I really wonder what our high officials in government are doing, fraternizing with a wanted fugitive. At ito kaugnay nung statement na binasa kanina, it's not just about integrity, which is the most important thing, but also the perception of integrity na